Alright, so first of all, what we are going to do is we're going to check if there's an update. We're going to try and update our machine there. So if there's an update, automatically there will be a notification down here. But since there's none down here, that's what we are going to do. So you're going to head to your search bar and type in Windows updates there, or you can just click the check updates thing. So Windows updates in our settings. Now, those updates here, you can see that it says you're up to date, so I'm already up to date, so there's no need. But if you're not up to date here, and you are connected to the internet, you have the opportunity to actually update your machine. Okay, good. But I'm already up to date, so if you're up to date, just check, scroll down here, move to advanced options down here, click on it, then scroll down to select date. Right. So what this does is it gives you the opportunity to set a particular date in which you're going to update your Windows. So if your Windows is not up to date, you can actually update it. That will be the first one. Alright, so when you're done with the updates, what we are going to do secondly is we are going to use our run command to delete certain temporal files on the computer. Okay, so you move to your search bar again and type in run, as in RUN. What is this? RUN, run. Press enter. Another way to actually get this is by Windows R. Windows R, have the same thing there. Then we are going to type in TEMP 10. Alright, when you open it, click OK. So here are files from applications on our computers. So applications on our computer create these temporal files for their own usage. But there are certain applications that you do not use anymore whose temporal files are still on the computer. So we need to delete them and take them off. And remember, even if the applications are still on the computer and you delete these files, they will recreate the files once again. So it doesn't really matter there. But then it is for us to ensure that old applications temporal files are all gone. So we'll just go on and Ctrl+A to select everything there. Right click, select delete there, and everything is gone from our temporal files. Good. Alright, and refresh. That's the second thing. Alright, so for our third bit, we are still in here. Same run command there. Now we are going to type in msconfig and press enter for our msconfig. Alright, so once we are in msconfig, we move on to startup. You open startup and open tax manager. Alright, so in tax manager here, these are all applications that start up when we start our computer. So when the computer starts, these applications also start with them. Now we do not need some of them to start, so we are going to disable them. Remember, if you do not have any idea about the applications, do not disable them. If you disable applications that are really important, you're going to have a problem with your machine. Okay, so just go through them. It depends on the particular applications you have installed on your computer. That is it. So for me, I have Wondershare Studio. I have certain things here that I can disable. So with this, I can disable this. Yeah. Remember, if you have no idea of what application is, do not disable them. Another way of you actually knowing is anything with Intel or Microsoft there, please do not touch them. For this Java, then I can disable it here. It's quite simple. All right. So if you are done with this part, just close this and we'll move on to service. We'll move on to service now. So same thing, all of these start up when your machine actually starts up. Okay, good. There are lots of them. If I'm to scroll, will not finish it. There are lots of them. Now, in order to prevent you from actually deleting something you have no idea about, just move down here and check the hide all Microsoft services. So if I check this, now I have applications that if I'm to disable them or stop them from running, there will be no problem with this. So you have some here. Like I said, anything with Intel, do not touch. So I have Intel, no problem. I'm not going to touch them. Now I have Google here, Google Chrome updates for Google services and all this. And actually, you can do something. I have MTN, Intel Pocket. I can actually check this off to stop running there. Then when you are done with everything, go on to apply and okay, good. So after that, there will be a system configuration prompt that you are to exit without restart or restart immediately. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Catch you another time. I was really thinking of a catchphrase, but Charlie. Maybe I'm like, alright, bye.